GSXRJaye here. Finally got me a MotoVlog set up so that I can speak to you guys while I'm riding my motorcycle. Took 2 deliveries from Amazon. We're going to start with the first one. All for the GoPro 8. This is my cat Bob. He wants to be in the video. So first we have the Ulanzi G8 case for the GoPro. And why I ordered this case for the GoPro is that it has a spot for the mic adapter right here, where the mic adapter will sit inside. Has some lens cases here, so you can put your mic up here or a light up here. It actually comes with the one case. Let's see here. I didn't realize it came with that. No. Okay, so apparently it comes with the battery cover to where you can plug in your wireless mic. So I'm going to assume, because I don't read instructions, take the battery cover off, slide your GoPro in here. Maybe I will open that first just because. GoPro goes in, this door shuts, perfect access for your wireless mic, full access to all your buttons, and you're good to go. I don't know how I feel about like this atrocious thing, but we'll see. Oh yeah, and then this has to go back on. Then you're all set on that end. So the next thing we have in here will be the chargeable lid that I thought I needed, that I didn't need. So we have an extra door for the GoPro, which, you know, if we're doing a video somewhere out and about and need to charge the GoPro on a power bank, then this will also do the same as that. So, not a total waste, just a replacement for this. I should have read a little more detail about the housing. So then we also have the purple Panda microphone. This is going to be fun to install and have fun with. This is what's truly going to allow me to speak to you guys while I am on the motorcycle. I come in here. So this is the actual microphone here. Let me open this. This should be the actual microphone, I should say. Yes. So it's like a lapel mic. Then you got your adapters, which another lapel. I think this is the outrageous windsock that I've seen other people using. So hey, I don't know how it goes on. I can feel something that I can't see. I don't know how that's gonna feel all up in my face while I'm talking. I'll probably just stick with that. We'll see how it goes. So then of course, the thing that really makes it all work together is the mic adapter. for the GoPro. They have bagged everything so much. GoPro 3.55mm mic adapter. No easy way to do it, but to do it, that definitely did not make that one easy to open. But most of you, if you already MotoVlog, you have one of these. So as I said, you have the mic adapter. Wow. Okay. So this is gonna be fun to get in here. Because I can't just put it in this way. Actually, I'll tell you, it fits in there tight, but the problem I'm seeing is this is too big to go in. I can't put this in here. I'm gonna have to do some figuring out here. Yay! Success is mine. So that goes all the way in. This looks like it could walk to something. Alright, so this is how it's gonna look. And then, of course, we are gonna have to so this is the mic. Does it fit? Perfect. No excess adapters needed. So we'll just run this cable into the helmet from the GoPro. So this is the helmet I use. I don't know. I might have to change something about that. That's going to be looking down, I feel. It's not going to be good. I might have to flip that upside down. Let's see. I might have to go that way. It's gonna be a work in progress. Oh, that ain't gonna work. This would be right in my face. Well, maybe. Go so far back. Alright. Well, we might have to use a different mount for here. Or extend it somehow. As I said, this will go here, this will go here. We'll just say that's where it's going to be. All this cord, I'll hide underneath this piece with the Cena, and then bring it back up. Might just hook it up here onto my Cena mic. Oh, that might just work. And then all this in here, and we'll be good. Ah! But yeah. So, that's what I ordered.